Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to add money into your TapTap Send wallet. So here's an easy workaround to do that. But before that, make sure you subscribe to the channel because it actually helps me out. So let's dive into it. So the first thing to do is your first step or your step one is to open the TapTap Send app. So make sure you launch it, then sign in into your account using your account credentials. Then from there, you have to go to the wallet. So tap on the wallet or the balance section. Then from there, you have to choose the hard money or top up option. Then from there, you have to choose the funding method. So for you to be able to do that, you have to select your payment source, which could be your debit card or your bank account. Depends on anyone you have available. Then from there, you have to type the amount you want to add. So once you're done with that, you have to double check the payment method and amount, then complete the transaction. So tap add money to confirm and finish your transaction, and your wallet will update once the money is added successfully. And that's how you can easily add money to TapTap Send wallet. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.